tutorial, we will see how to execute the Selenium script in IE browser. So we need the third party drivers for this, but before moving for the actual scenarios, let me discuss what exactly we will be going to cover in this video. I'm going to add what is IE driver and why we need a separate driver for this, and also if we get any exception, how you are going to handle that. And also I'm going to show you how to set the IE driver path. Let me create one Java project. Go to the file and create Java project name. So I'm giving, so click on finish. You have to create one folder. Go to the new and create a folder. I have given the name. Click on finish. Need to create one project. Go to the source. Create one package. Right click on the package name. Then go to the class. Create. Select public static void main. Click on finish. Remove unwanted comment. Not required. So let me go to the official website. Oh, selenium.dev. This is the official website. Go to the downloads option, and here there are driver selenium standalone file is available over here. You will click on it and download from this website. And also we are going to download IE driver. There are two options are available over here: 32-bit Windows IE and 64-bit Windows IE. So I have downloaded already for 64-bit Windows IE. So this is one option. You will find one more options are also available in this website. So slowly you can scroll down. You will find options called as browsers. So click on the browsers option. You will find configuration, Internet Explorer configuration. Click on the configuration of link. Now you will find option called as installing. So here one link is there. Click on the downloads. There are different versions are available over here. You have to click any option. You will find same what I have shown in the previously. So here also IE driver server also available, 32-bit and 64-bit. In my case I have already downloaded. Let me show you. So this one I have downloaded from that, and right click on it, extract here. Copy these two files, Selenium standalone server and IE driver. Let me open Eclipse. You have to what I have created that folder, you just paste into over here. So and those two files are added over here. Selenium standalone server, you right click on it, build path, add to build path. The jar files are added. Let me create object. So it is asking like import the WebDriver. Click on the import WebDriver. It is also going to ask import the Internet Explorer driver. Click on it. Now right click on it, run as Java application. Click on OK. Now you will find the exception called as java.lang illegal state exception. That is asking like where is the your driver executable file is located. That is, so I am going to copy this key. I'll show you that. We need to write the set the path of the driver. So you have to take the option called as set property. There are two arguments are asking key and value pair. Add the key. Same thing we have to add the where is our IE driver is located. I have given the path, I have given this folder name, and also we have to right click on it, go to the properties, copy this. Right click on it, run as, go to the Java application. So it is going to launch the IE browser. It has been launched. So we have to do some settings over here. Go to the settings, click on the setting option. You will find internet options. So go to the security over here, and there are four options are available in internet, local intranet, and trusted site and restricted site. So I am going over here and I have unchecked this option, and go to this option. Also you have to make it unchecked also for this unchecked. In the same case you can do enable this option clicking on the click on it. So I have already done this one. I am going to close. Now also I am adding how we need to add the URL in the browser. Get. I am also going to close the enter. So right click on it. It is going to launch the browser. Also it enters the selenium.dev and it is entered, and it has been closed. Now let me show you. Go to the youtube.com. Kindly go to the YouTube URL and then subscribe this channel. Soon I am going to add so many videos. Okay. Thank you.